In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to replace your angel eyes. As you can see in here, this side is working and this side is not working. We are going to replace with an original lamp. We are not going to install LEDs. So yeah, in order to do that you need your replacement. As you can see, we have in here a pair, but we are going to use just one, age 8, yeah. And if you have halogen lights like this car, yeah, your angel eyes is going to look like this. Yeah, the same procedure. You will have two screws, one here, one here. Unscrew it, the screws will remain here in these plastic tabs, yeah, and take it out. And for that you have to remove this cover located in here. Just half turn, yeah, take it out and you will see the bulb inside as well. Half turn and take it out, and as you can see we have a small issue here with the plug and the lamp clearly burned. Let's replace it and see if this is going to work. The lamp is replaced. We have the burned one in here. I hope you can see that it's burned. Yep, everything is put back together. I just have the new light is in there with the yellow plug, yeah. We are going to put the cap. Okay, so now you can turn the lights on and it's working, yeah. Now we have angel eyes on both sides. So yeah, pretty much that's about it. I hope this video helps some of you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.